YouTube. What's up, y'all? It's Barber. Hey, I'm on my little supply run, so I decided to run up here real quick, get some stuff. One of my clients like the pomade that I use. I'm out. I told him when he get back in town, I'm gonna have it for him. And just let me see what we got up in here and see what's new. And let's see what's new. All right. Now we're gonna go through these products one by one and why I decided to pick it up and just give clarity on why do I prefer it. And the first one here is this is a treatment, hair treatment. This is a hair treatment right here, nano, and this is I use on damaged hair. And a lot of times we forget, not only we talk about the hair on the head, but also beard be damages. Also, a lot of men, their type of jobs where they don't really take care of it, and they wonder why it doesn't feel soft and well groomed. Sometimes as a barber, you can actually help them out with certain treatments. So I like to use certain things to give my client a better experience and educate them on how they can be more well groomed or female groomed at home. So yeah, this is my product I decided to pick up to give it a shot. They said it was real good. They recommended it. My supplier. Yeah, this is the first one. Let's keep on going. This right here is a shampoo. Now this shampoo, it has a minty feel to it, and also it's a therapy shampoo. Therapy means it gives is a simulation to the scalp. So I prefer to try to give my clients a great experience, because I do prep my clients every service to give my ability to give them the best haircut. And what's the best way to give the best haircut is make sure your canvases is nice and clean. Even though they might have shampooed and come prepared already, I still like to use my professional products to make sure it gives me more, how can I say, more clarity, or it gives me more confidence that the hair is well prepped than relying on my client to do it at home. Okay, so I like this shampoo for that. This is my first time using this. They said it was very good, so I tried it out. So I purchased this, and I got more. So I use a lot, so I got 2 of them. I spend my own money on this stuff. Let's go to the next one. This is a hair tonic. This is also great. This is also great. A hair tonic to help enhance the hair. This is, I can't say enough, it's for anti-hair loss, things that breakage, hair growth, to help them, to give them more support and stimulation on a scalp or face area. This is very good. It's just little things like this just separate you from another barber or another professional, because you actually educate yourself on products to help your clients have a better experience and enhance their look, and to have a longevity with their hair growth. It's always good to understand product knowledge. And I think I got, like I said, this is a, right here, this is a leave-in conditioner. Okay, leave-in conditioner. What can we use this for? Sometimes, if they want to, if you're trying to like prolong a conditioning or prolong a treatment, so you can actually leave this in their hair while they go home or while they go out throughout the day to help continues the treatment. It's called leave-in conditioner. Okay, and this also can be more for hairstyling product too. Instead of using like a gel, or instead of using like a soft cream, you can use this as a styling product, and it still be beneficial to the hair. It's still a work in progress for it. Let's keep it moving. My next one is a pomade. Oh my goodness, this pomade is amazing. This pomade right here, it's called 1812. This pomade is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It has a good tobacco smell. It's very small, coming in a glass jar for a reason. Pretty expensive. It's well worth the purchase. Clients love it. They buy it like hotcakes. You could get a good deal on this through wholesale pricing, but it's pretty expensive for this small little jar, and it's well worth it. It's just a comparison of what usually people buy, like gels or cream, a jar. Just a comparison of the jar. See that comparison of the size? Just a comparison of the size, just to compare it. And this is more expensive. This is more expensive than this. But this pomade is top notch. Top notch. Very, very good product. Very nice quality jar. Aluminum can. Aluminum top, not can. I don't know why I said can, but sealed. Alright. It got that good tobacco cigar smell. Very manly smell. So, man, picked up shaving gel. This right here has a minty feel. This gel has a minty therapeutic feel. This right here, amazing, amazing. I'll let you look up this. This has come from, I think it's come from Europe. This brand is over in Europe. It's not in stores in the United States. So this is overseas. My Barber Supply had it. I've been using the shampoos. I've been using the conditioner, and the gels are amazing. They work wonders. Very clean. They saturate the hair very well. This is 10 out of 10. One of the best shaving gels I've used. It's not thick. It coats the hair. It has a minty feel on the face. So with this, it's like a therapeutic feeling when you go through the hot towel stages with your client, and they enjoy it. They enjoy the aroma from it. Very, 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 very good gel. I have about 2 of these. Yeah, I think I bought like 2 of these. Yeah, I bought like 2 of these. So, and that's not, but my least one is this right here. This is a more of a shampoo treatment. It's a treatment for damaged hair. So if you come across dry, brittle hair, your client haven't been taking care of the hair very good, this can help renourish, replenish the hair. And with the combination of this mask, leave-in conditioner mask right here, and with this, you can actually, help with the hair from longevity, give them a little life extension. Now, we all know that you can't really completely, undo damaged hair, but we can try to manage it, and this may help me manage this a lot better, as if it's not damaged, even though it's still damaged, but it comes to feel that it's not damaged. And that's my supply run, guys. Any questions about products or what recommendations I would give for certain things, certain techniques for certain hair types? Yeah. Oh, I think I do have one more. I believe I bought a curling cream that is amazing. I think I bought a curly cream that's amazing. I did. I left it in my car. But this curling cream, Sunny Island, this is one of the best curling cream I ever used. It's oil-based, Jamaican oil-based, so it really saturated hair, especially for Afrocentric hair. This cream is amazing. I can't recommend this enough. Like I said, you see right here, no frizziness. It does. It's no frizziness, just soft, bouncy, and shiny curls. So especially if you're doing like, Afrocentric type curl tops, even more very curly, big wavy hair, this is amazing. This works wonders if you're trying to curl it up naturally. This is amazing. And that's my product run for the day, guys. You have clippers. We all understand clippers, but at the end of the day, the finishing on hairstyles and product is what you decide to use. Products is the finisher. And good products can make your job easier and give the client a great experience. I'm Roy the Barber. Welcome to that. Please like and subscribe to my channel.